Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Let's start with an explanation of the scope of Python Django web development. Python Django web development is a powerful and popular framework for building web applications. It follows the Model View Controller, MVC, pattern, which helps in organizing code and separating concerns within a web application. Django provides a wide range of features and tools that make it easier to build secure, scalable, and maintainable web applications. Here are some key aspects that fall within the scope of Python Django web development. 1. Backend development. Django is primarily used for backend development. It provides an ORM, object-relational mapping, system that allows developers to work with databases using Python objects. Django also includes built-in support for authentication, authorization, and session management. 2. URL routing. Django uses a URL routing mechanism to map URLs to views. This makes it easy to define different endpoints for handling various requests. 3. Template system. Django comes with a powerful template system that allows developers to create dynamic HTML pages. Templates can include variables, tags, and filters to generate dynamic content. 4. Admin interface. Django provides an admin interface that can be used to manage database records without writing custom code. This feature is helpful for developers to quickly create an administration panel for their applications. 5. Security features. Django includes built-in security features such as protection against common web vulnerabilities like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, and cross-site request forgery, CSRF. 6. Scalability. Django is designed to scale well for large applications. It supports a modular structure that allows developers to divide their application into reusable components. Now, let's look at a simple example of a Django view function that returns a basic HTML response. In this example, we define a view function called hello_world that takes a request object as input and returns an HTTP response object containing a simple HTML response. Remember, this is just a basic example to give you a taste of Django web development. There is a lot more to explore and learn within the Django framework to build robust web applications.